Zack D Films is currently one of the fastest growing creators in the world. He's even overtaking creators like Mr. Beast in some areas. And guess what? There are only a handful of channels copying his style and making serious money from it. But not everyone can create shots like him, because making those animations usually costs thousands of dollars. And obviously not every creator can afford that. But don't worry at all, because in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create the same unique animations completely for free. But before we start, check out this short clip that I created myself.
What happens if coffee actually reactivates 93% of your brain cells? Our test subject starts with exactly 0.3 brain cells functioning. He's basically running on airplane mode, but the moment he takes one sip of coffee, boom, instant brain reboot. His eyes light up, full genius mode for 12 minutes straight, but then the battery drops, and he completely crashes face first onto the table. Coffee is just a temporary software update.
Usually people copy videos from other channels or search topics on Google, and then they start thinking, man, this is taking too much time. So now the question is, how do you create this kind of content? Because writing engaging scripts is not that easy. That's exactly why I've put a powerful prompt in the description. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and within seconds you'll get insane viral topics. Now just select any topic from the list, copy it, paste it back into ChatGPT, or write your own idea, and boom, you'll get a super engaging script that forces people to watch till the end and hit the like button. Now to match the script visually, we need image prompts for every scene. So whatever text I'm showing on the screen, just copy the same. And of course, we will need a realistic AI voice for the script so your channel can get monetized. For that, I'll show you a free and unlimited tool, AI Studio. Once you're on the homepage, click this option. Then click Single Speaker, choose any character you like. Paste your generated script and listen to this. What happens if you look world-like? Insanely realistic, right? Now, if you're doing this for the first time, this part may look confusing, so watch carefully. We now have our voice ready. We have our image prompts ready, but now we want our character, background, and style to look exactly like Zack D Films. For that, copy this special prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then take Scene 1's prompt from earlier and paste it here. Within seconds, you'll get a detailed image prompt. Now take a deep breath and come to any text-to-image generator. For this tutorial, I'm using Nano Banana Upload your first generated image. Paste the every scene's prompt one by one. Now it's time to convert these images into video. For that, we'll use the most powerful tool right now, VO3. There's only one issue. You can make only 5 videos per month, but don't stress. Here's the trick. When your credits finish, just make a new Gmail account and you instantly get new credits. Before generating the video, make sure one setting is correct. Output should be 1. Model should be VO3. Select portrait mode. Click frame to video and upload your first image. Now copy Scene 1's video prompt and paste it. Within seconds, boom, a super high-quality video. Download it. Repeat the same steps for every scene using each respective scene prompt. Be patient, and soon you'll have a complete professional quality shorts video. Now comes the final step, video editing. If you are a beginner, don't worry, because CapCut is absolutely perfect for this. Just open CapCut on your phone or PC, import all your clips in order. Add the voiceover and background music, sync it properly. Add some animations, transitions, and text effects, and your video is ready to blow up in the USA audience. If you follow this process properly, you can get monetized within just 1 to 2 videos. Consistency plus quality equals YouTube algorithm will push your channel automatically. And if you want me to make a dedicated video explaining these secret tricks in detail, just comment secret. And if you want to talk to me, join my Telegram channel.